Carly Russell, the Hoover woman who police say admitted to making up a story about being kidnapped, has been charged with 2 misdemeanors.
On July 13th, Russell called 911 saying she saw a toddler along I-459 in Jefferson County. Then she disappeared. 2 days later, she turned up walking to her parents' house. News 19's Greg Screws is here with us now. Hoover police held a news briefing today. So, Greg, what are the charges against Carly?
So Hoover police today confirmed that Carly Russell's been charged with filing a false police report and filing a false statement to law enforcement. Those are Class A misdemeanors. Russell turned herself in today and quickly bonded out. The bond, $2,000, $1,000 on each charge. And in today's briefing, Hoover Police Chief Nick Durzis said he understood that people are angry over the situation, that after all the chaos and concern that was generated, that only 2 misdemeanors are all that applies here. Durzis said existing law says the only option Hoover police had was to file the charges that they filed.
Her decisions that night created panic and alarm for the citizens of our city and even across the nation as the concern grew that a kidnapper was on the loose using a small child as bait. Numerous law enforcement agencies, both local and federal, began working tirelessly not only to bring Carly home to her family, but locate a kidnapper that we know now never existed.
And Nick Durzis also said they still haven't pieced together where Carly Russell was in the 49 hours she was missing. Also, they said they haven't confirmed that Carly Russell acted alone. Nick Durzis also said they're asking for lawmakers in Montgomery to beef up existing law so if a similar situation occurs, stronger charges can be brought to bear against someone who falsifies a story to police.